Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic I know a lot of you are curious about. How to make money on YouTube. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your channel to the next level, I've got the deets you need. First off, let's talk about the basics. Ad revenue, YouTube's partner program, is where it all begins. Once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply to join. After you're accepted, ads start playing on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue. Easy, right? Well, not quite. The payout depends on factors like viewer demographics, ad engagement, and video length. So, keep those viewers hooked. Next up, affiliate marketing. This one's a game changer. Essentially, you promote products or services in your videos and include special links in your descriptions. When viewers click and buy, you get a commission. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs, but you can find affiliate opportunities in almost any niche. Now let's talk about sponsorships. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. As your channel grows, you'll start getting offers, but don't just accept any deal. Pick brands that align with your content and values. Your audience will thank you for it. Remember, authenticity is key. Merchandising is another great way to earn. If you've built a loyal fan base, why not create and sell your own products? Think t-shirts, mugs, or even digital products like ebooks or online courses. Platforms like Teespring and Shopify make it super easy to get started. Crowdfunding is also worth considering. Platforms like Patreon allow your biggest fans to support you directly. In return, you can offer exclusive content, early access to videos, or even one-on-one interactions. It's a fantastic way to build a strong community and earn a steady income. Lastly, don't forget about leveraging YouTube's own features like Super Chat and channel memberships. These tools allow viewers to support you during live streams or become paying members for extra perks, and there you have it, a beginner's guide to making money on YouTube. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep improving your content, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.